Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the exercise 3.2 of pair of linear equation in two variable. So here we are doing the fourth question. So in this question, which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent? If they are consistent, obtain the solutions graphically. So in this question, we have to check the ratios, and according to the ratios, we will find whether they are consistent or inconsistent. And if they are consistent, we have to make the graph. In this question, I will just tell you the coordinates or how the graph will look like, and I won't be making the graph because it is very easy and I have told how to draw it in the first exercise. So let's start with the question. So guys, in the first part, the data which we have is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So now we will find the ratios. So here you have 1 and here you have 1. So 1 by 2, a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 that is 1 and b2 is 2. So b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is 5 by 10 and that is also equal to 1 by 2. If all the three are equal to each other, this means that these are coincident lines and the coincident lines are consistent. They are dependent consistent. So you have to make a line representation of this line on a graph. So as you know, the lines will be coincident, which means that they will be the same. That is because when you divide the whole of the second equation by 2, you get 2x by 2 is x, 2y by 2 is y, and 10 by 2 is 5. What you get is the first equation. So you have to make a graph for same equations. So you will take some values of x, that will give you some value of y, and you will plot them on a graph, and they will be only one line. And you will write the values, that is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and this is the solution of the first question. So now let's move on to the second part. So in the second part, the data given is x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So now we will find the ratios again. Here you have 1 and here you have minus 1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by minus 3, so that is also equal to 1 by 3, and at last you have 8 by 16, that is equal to 1 by 2. As you can see here, the first two are equal but they are not equal to the third one. This means that the lines are parallel and therefore they are inconsistent, and since they are inconsistent, you don't need to draw the graph for this equation. Now the third part. So for the third part, the data is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Again you see the ratios, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Here you have plus 1 and here you have minus 2. So minus 1 by 2, and at last minus 6 by minus 4, that is 3 by 2. As you can see, none of them are equal, therefore these lines intersect, and lines that intersect each other are consistent. Now using these two equations, you will get the coordinates as I have shown you in the exercise 3.1, and using that coordinates you will make the graph. Now let's move on to the last part of the question, the fourth one. So here you have 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Again the ratio 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, minus 2 by minus 4, that is also equal to 1 by 2, and minus 2 by minus 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. As you can see, the first two are equal but the third is not equal. This means that lines are parallel, and as we know, parallel lines are inconsistent and you don't need to draw the graph. and you'll be surprised to know that this was the solution for this question. The question was a little bit complicated, you had to draw graphs, but the graphs were easy, the solution was easy. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.